Today I'm going to attempt to fix an AT4040 with a couple household items. We will see how it goes. We will be making our own distilled water with these pots. We've got the screw to take apart the microphone, a paintbrush, a little basin for the water, and some paper towel. And we're just gonna try and open this thing up and clean the capsule and see if it fixes our popping issue that we're having. Gonna fill the pot up. So we're gonna boil water in the big pot. It's gonna go up, hit an upside down lid like a upside down dome. Water's gonna drip into the collection basin, and that's your distilled water.
Isn't distilled water just boiled water?
Sort of. You boil it and collect it in a different basin.
Well, what's the diff?
I don't know. I do have a Bachelor of Science, but I don't know. All right, so in theory, this water will boil. It'll come up the sides, collect in the other basin. So we need this lid as well. So we're gonna start boiling this thing. Throw it on high and let's see what we get. I also read that it's recommended you can put some ice cubes on the outside of the lid to try and get the condensation really flowing. So I might do that as well. So while the pot's boiling, I'm gonna take some of these screws out and start taking this thing apart. And I've actually never taken apart a condenser mic before, so I'm curious what they look like inside. Seen some videos and pictures, but so it looks like there's 3, and this should come out. There we go. Whoa. So yeah, she's pretty dirty. I don't think I can get this thing to focus. Hard to see, but it's definitely got some dirt on it. Some big chunks, so maybe this will fix it. I shall set this here for now and check on my water. Folks, the distillation has begun. Too much distillation, abort! Abort! I added some ice to the top of the lid and it's really getting the condensation going. So we got some dirt in there, you can see. Okay, I think I've collected enough. What is that? Doesn't look that dirty, so that should be lots. So there we go, some distilled water. And we can start cleaning. I'm gonna try and move all the debris to the center and then figure out a way to lift it up. Oh, I've already gotten so many chunks off. Like big fibers.
Chunks of what?
Just like dark fibers. It's a really big one there. It's a big one. Got it. I can see in the water it's birds chirping. I feel like I'm Bob Ross right now with this paintbrush. Oh, there's a big hunk right there. Something. Looking pretty clean already. That didn't take much. It's in pretty good shape for an old mic. So let that dry and see if it helped at all. All done. I guess we'll go see. Oh wait, I didn't record any of that. All right. So we plugged the microphone in and it sounds amazing. No more noises. I didn't try it for very long, but sat there for a bit, just quietly I heard no noises, tested a couple vocal recordings. It sounded really nice. I think it's fixed, so I'll definitely be using this mic again. I don't recommend doing this on an expensive mic or a mic that you really depend on using. It's probably a risky thing to do, but it worked out for me, and I don't know, maybe you'll learn something from the video.